When it comes to tiny home floor plans, size and layout are everything. Affiliate disclosure. Some links may contain affiliate links, and if clicked and purchases are made, the owners may earn commissions. Legal disclaimer. The content provided is for instructional, general informational, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered professional advice. This video is not sponsored. Any opinions expressed are our own and reflect our honest experience. Viewers should use their own judgment when considering any recommendations. Okay, let's begin the video. Choosing the right space isn't just about fitting your belongings. It's about creating a comfortable, functional environment that feels like home. Space optimization in tiny houses is no longer a challenge, but an opportunity to innovate. By thoughtfully designing your layout and incorporating multifunctional furniture, you can maximize every square inch without sacrificing style or comfort. Small space living tips emphasize the importance of flexibility: a sofa that converts into a bed, tables that fold away when not in use, and storage solutions built into stairs or under floors. These smart choices transform even the tiniest spaces into inviting sanctuaries. Don't settle for cramped or cluttered. Embrace design strategies that make your tiny home both practical and cozy. With the right approach to size and layout, you'll discover that living large in a small space is entirely possible.